Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. Today I have a lot to accomplish. So I have ordered a desktop for my desk and I want to go pick it up. I am one of those people that if I have a present or something that I've been looking forward to, it will be on my mind all day, all night. And I also need to wash my hair. Is there anybody that just puts a toothpaste or brush in their mouth directly without wetting it first? Like, are there people like that?
To chase it away, because and it's all because of you.
You know, if there ever comes a day where I'm not looking for my essentials, keys, license, credit card, it would be a miracle. Put on sunglasses. Yes, this is what I need. Because why? I am amazing. I am amazing. Hi, good morning. I'm good. Okay. Okay, you know what? Let's just not jaywalk. Let's actually go to the zebra crossing and cross the road. All right, I'm here. This is Best Buy, guys. Hi, I'm here to pick up my order.
Oh yeah, I need to scan a barcode and also see an ID.
Yes, sir. And I'm sorry I'm videoing. I will blur you out. You don't know.
Always wanted to be famous.
Oh, really? Okay,
No,
okay,
yeah.
say hi.
Is your car out front?
Not super upfront. I will go do that. Thank you so much. Okay. Because this is a big desk. Is he not so nice? Because this is a big desktop and it's gonna be heavy, he's just gonna pull it up in my car. So let me go drive back. Yes. Is he a good one? Was he a good choice?
I think so, yeah.
Okay guys, we have picked up my desktop and now we are going home. Shot to the heart and you're to blame. You give love a bad name. I play my part and you play your game. All right guys, all right. After my concert, hope you guys enjoyed my concert. I bought a gaming desktop. This is called the Cyberpower PC desktop. Why did I buy a desktop? I need a device really good on my desk for streaming games because I'm gonna be streaming on Twitch. I'm gonna link my Twitch stream in this video. I wanna be streaming the games I play on Twitch and video editing and playing games on here. Let's go wash my hair.
You wake up in the morning, are you lonely? Do you find only the items I'd love?
Okay, what do I start with? Okay guys. me see his green number. Hey.
This shit is weird, looking like the Matrix.
Hey. How long is my hair now? Let me see. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let me show you what I'm doing. Put it in 2 space buns. Can you guys even see that? Okay. I am hungry, but I don't have appetite. No, I'm not like hungry. I don't know. No, it's like my brain knows I should eat, but my body. What's time? 3 p.m. I haven't eaten today. I'm just gonna keep going till my body realizes it's hungry. Perfect. If anyone knows that, perfect. If anyone knows where that sound is from, write something in the comment section. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Oh, they gave me a gaming keyboard and a gaming mouse. Now for the big reveal. How do I do this? I'm gonna put it on the floor. Okay. Oh Lord. I am struggling. Ooh, guys, look at it. Let me remove this. So okay. Oh my God! Oh my God! I am so freaking stoked. I am so stoked. I'm so happy. Let me move it from the wall. All right, let's connect it to my the Bury, guys. I'll be kidding if I said I know what I'm doing. I would just be playing around right now. Now, is this long enough to get to my desktop? Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh, this is the first time I've been able to see my game on such a big screen. I am so happy. Let's see how this performs with streaming games.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, I didn't show you, but I went to pick up my Nigerian food. I catered. You see, it has jollof written on it. let me show you. Got the turkey. Let me look at the F4. Oh, shoot. Cha! The Lord has done it finally. Finally. Are y'all seeing what I'm saying? I can dive in this F4, you know? I can dive in it. And then we have the last but not the least. Hey! God is good all the time. And do you guys know she gave me free puff puff? This is why I love this lady. She even usually check up on me sometimes. She's like, how are you doing? Puff puff that is succulent. Puff puff that puffing. My brothers and sisters back in Nigeria that always pepper me. Every time I call my brother on FaceTime, he's eating food. I will show you my own. I will show you my own now. I'll pepper you back. I'll pepper you back. Okay. Can y'all see the beauty of the Lord? The moi moi. Phew. Jehovah. How many do I want out here? I think 3 is fine. And finally, I have food in my freezer. Okay. Wait. Oh yeah. Phew. Okay. And now I can eat food. Okay, I am so tired. I actually did a lot today. The fact that I washed my hair, went to pick this up, set it up, pick up food, dish everything. It's been a long day and it is 5 p.m. So I'm going to eat my food now. Play with this. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. I'm so glad to be back on YouTube and I will try my best to be more active and active. I was really battling with my mental health for months. But I feel better now. I turned 30 in July 8th. So yeah, I will have my next video is gonna be like maybe things I've learned till 30 right now. But anyways, yes. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Bye-bye.